Now in this video we are going to talk about NLQ. NLQ means Natural Language Query. So for that purpose let me just create a new page. Yes, we are going to do everything practically. So it's like uh, if you are interested to learn more about the NLQ, you just go on Google and just type NLQ in Power BI. So you'll get to know that what is natural language query in a deeply. So it's like just we know that we ask a certain task to do, like Alexa play the music. Alexa gets start and plays the music, right? So same thing happened in the Power BI. Yes, exactly. So I know that you must be wondered that how it could be possible, how Power BI can take commands and create an output on the basis of those commands. So for that purpose, let me just take you through this video. See, you can see under the insert tab, you can see one tab that is Q and A. So I just click over here. Once I clicked, certain possibilities are pop up in front of me. So first of all is the top product size by total written quantity, top product size by total order quantity. So same way this happens. So now I want to pop up the order quantity by subcategory. So let me just type this and let Power BI work for that. So my question is I want order quantity, sir, it's order quantity, wait, order quantity by subcategory. I don't want a key, I just want subcategory. That's it. So, Nantada, I got the answer. So, similar way, let me just turn this QA into a standard visual card. We will create a one page, dedicated page for this Q&A. Let's play around. So, I know that you must be wonder how it is possible, how this Power BI know at the first place we have to take that Power BI has to take this bar chart for that. So yes, so your queries you are returning everything on this Q&A box. Don't forget that you already written the DAX function, right? It is not possible without DAX function. You are just typing anything and the Power BI is giving you output. No, that is not going to happen. But yes, so whatever the input you have provided to this Power BI, that can be reflected under the Q&A. So now this is 2024. The Power BI is smart enough than the previous version, is it? So let me just go on this page and just do the formatting, right? Okay. Yeah. So let me just one copy the line. I want to copy the line. Control C and Control V. Yes. Okay. Right. Okay. So let's go. I just try something else. Uh, Now I want to know the top 5 customer by revenue. Okay. Let me just try it. I want top 5 customers by revenue. Okay, let's take it in the matrix. So if you type a matrix, it will give you in a matrix. Yes, very beautiful, very nice. Okay, let me just do it. Let me just do formatting over here. So how we will do the formatting? I just don't want this bar. I want to put some names. names. Again, I have to put title. Under the title, I want to type top 5 customers by revenue. Is it? Yes, perfect. Now fix under effect. I don't want anything. Visual. Under the visual, we need for the specific column. Say, okay. Let me just off this data bar. Okay. So just we'll do the same format painter. Yes. I just shrink it. Okay, I'm just copying it and pasting it over here. So next visual would be like I want bottom 5 customers. So for that purpose I'm just clicking on this visual. We'll go to under the filter, under the filter tab, you will find the customers. You don't want the top 5, we want bottom 5, and apply the filter. It's change, right? So let me just put it here. You can directly type over here whatever you want to change, right? Here I want to change the bottom, right? Let me just copy this, control V it. Okay, we are just understanding this, how this NLQ and this Q&A works. We are just creating a new dashboard, you can say that. So here what we want, here I'll call for a map. Okay, what do we want? We want a map, right? Country wise, country wise, country wise revenue map. Here it is it? So within the 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, we have created uh, this map. Let me just uh, the country wise revenue map. Okay, just format it. I don't want that subcategory name. I forgot to. Okay, yeah, good to go. Let me just check whether it is working well or not. Yeah. So let me just insert one text box over here. Under that, we will write sales table by using by Q&A. Q&A. Okay, I can put it into the center, bold it, italic. Okay, just let me keep this font color is white. Let me select it first. Font color would be a white. Okay, this would not make a sense. Let this selection format text box. Get that background color. Background color I'm going to keep a color is green. This is not our matching color. Let me just go to this. What is looking like? Okay. I hope that you got the idea how we can use this NLQ or a Q&A to create a dashboard within the 5 minutes, right? I hope you understood. Thank you.